Have you ever wondered why a rolling ball eventually stops, or why you lurch forward when a car brakes suddenly? It all comes down to Sir Isaac Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia. The law states that an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion, with the same speed and in the same direction, unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This tendency to resist changes in their state of motion is what physics calls inertia. Think about a book on a table. It doesn't move on its own. It has inertia keeping it at rest. It will only move if you apply a force, like pushing it with your hand. Now imagine deep space. If you throw a ball there, where there's no air or gravity, that ball would keep moving in a straight line forever. That is inertia in motion. On Earth, however, we have invisible forces like friction and gravity constantly acting on objects. When you roll a ball on grass, friction from the ground pushes against it, eventually stopping it. Let's look at another example. Riding in a moving car. Your body is moving at the same speed as the vehicle. If the car suddenly brakes, the car stops, but your body wants to keep moving forward. That's why we wear seatbelts. They provide the unbalanced force needed to stop your body safely. Mass plays a huge role here. The more mass an object has, the more inertia it has. It's much harder to start moving a heavy elephant than a small dog because the elephant has more inertia. Similarly, it's much harder to stop a massive ship once it's moving than a small canoe. So remember, if it's still, it wants to stay still. And if it's moving, it wants to keep moving. Only a force can change that story. Understanding this law helps us build safer cars, launch rockets, and win at sports. Physics isn't just in textbooks. It's in every move you make. Thanks for watching.